and slave. Big data architecture works on the principle of master slave. If you know, the other information is here. Hello.
Hello,
Yeah. So normally traditional. I can hear some voice. Can you just go to mute? Yeah. So you know, in traditional methodology, once you get the data into the server, you need to have a cluster. For example, think there is a server called primary server. There will be a server called secondary server. For example, if the primary server is holding 10 GB of data, the same 10 GB of data should be stored in secondary server, and the cluster should contain the same 10 GB of data. Now the problem is, think that something happened to the primary server. So the secondary server should act as a primary, and it should, you know, the users can access the data from the secondary server. Think that as a scenario as we discussed with Srinivas, primary server has the information, and you know, the user lost the information at some point of time. At the same time, the primary server went down. Secondary server is not holding the particular information. So, you know, obviously think I am a user, you know, I am working for an organization and my mails are in the primary server, and in the secondary server these mails are missing. But same situation, the primary server went down, even the secondary server is not holding any mails. Obviously I'll get angry and I'll start shouting with the user, you know, client who is giving me the mailing service. So here in big data technology, what happens is there will be only one master, and we have different slaves. The number of slaves will be more. There will be, it depends on the, you know, amount of data. We have one master. The master will not change. It will be always only one master, and the number of slaves is depend on the data. It will increase. The important thing is here, you know, for example, 10 GB of data which the master is holding, the same 10 GB of data will be shared with 3 clusters. So the loss of data or, you know, missing of data will not happen in any point of time. Again, the information, you know, like these data, the 10 GB will not be stored as a, you know, as a block. It will be sliced and it will be saved in different, you know, modules. It will be saved in different nodes in the replication factor of 3. For example, you know, 10 GB will be stored in 3 different clusters on 3 block size. For once we get into the technology in depth, you know, we'll get to know these things. This is all about you know, big data. So now I want you guys to shoot your queries.
Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, Jitin Srinivas.
Yeah, Srinivas.
So, as per my understanding with you that the big data is, as you said, it's, sounds like the huge number of data, the size of data in 3 V's, volume, variety, and velocity. So, yes, I mean, before this session I was in an assumption that big data is a brand and Hadoop is a technology from big data. Is there any relationship between like this, or it's like the naming is like big data, being it's a data is huge?
Big data is a problem. For example, how can I give you an example? Yeah, sure. Consider programming. When you tell programming, we have C program, C++ and all, right? This was in programming. Am I correct?
No.
No, what I'm trying to tell is, you know, consider an example, programming. Programming is a concept where, you know, leave programming. Consider bad. Bad is an, family. Under that we have, you know, crow, hen, so many birds will fall under, correct? The same way, here the thing is Hadoop is a technology and we have different concepts under that, and the problem is big data. Big data is the ideal problem. You know, big data is the problem, the solution is Hadoop.
Okay,
So,
that's fine.
It's a buzzword, actually big data is a buzzword, that's it.
And Jitin, one more, question is that I heard that I search in Google and all. There are multiple, as you can say, modules like in SAP also. There are multiple modules in Hadoop also, like Hive, Scoop. I don't know what is exactly. So what exactly is the Hive, what exactly is Scoop, and what exactly remaining and all?
Yeah, I'll tell you. For example, think that, Jyoti. Jyoti is there. Jyoti, are you there?
Yeah, Jitin.
Yeah, Jyoti is a, Jyoti. So Jyoti knows Java very well. She is a mainframe developer. She's telling, she knows Java very well. So, the Hadoop, the big data concept is, the Hadoop technology. When you go for programming, we are going to generate the program based on Java. The code is based on Java, and there is a concept called MapReduce. MapReduce is the, instead of calling Java, we call it as in Hadoop technologies MapReduce. They will ask you, are you aware of MR programming? Instead of asking Java programming, they will ask you, are you good in MR programming? That is MapReduce programming. So to write a MapReduce program, you should know Java. That is the first thing. So you are aware of MapReduce, correct, Srinivas?
Yes, MapReduce. MapReduce is nothing but, as you can say, to process the big data is, we can say it's
MapReduce. We are going to write a program through Java coding. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Fine. Now Hive. I'll come to Hive. Hive is a product. Actually, it is not a programming or something. Hive is a product discovered by Facebook. Okay. So what happens here is, in Hive, what we do is we will be writing, SQL type of syntax. If you are very good, then think you don't know anything related to Java. You don't know anything on Java, but you are very good in SQL. Okay, you are good in SQL. You can write SQL type of syntax, and through Hive tool, we will convert this SQL into Java coding. So if you don't know anything related to Java, and if you are aware of SQL, that is exactly, it is not a SQL, it is SQL type of syntax. We are not going to write so many SQL programs, queries and all. It's a type of SQL syntax. If you are aware of SQL, it's more than enough. Okay, we will be writing the queries, and this particular tool, the Hive, will convert this into, the SQL type of syntax to MapReduce. So if you don't know Java, again you can write the queries in SQL where we will do conversion, and it will be generated as MapReduce. So are you okay with Hive?
Yes, Jitin. I just said, Hive, but with Hive we can query. By using the query and all, we can retrieve the data, and with the query, it is going to be converted into Java programming, JavaScript into MR.
Wait, I'll take this. So, I'm giving you. See, in MapReduce, okay, can you take like this? Hadoop. So Hadoop will be writing the programming call for processing. Processing of data can be done through MapReduce. The MapReduce code will be written on Java. Okay. First condition. This is fun. So the second thing is Hive. Here what we do is we'll be writing SQL kind of syntax, SQL kind of syntax, and